So, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. After nearly 3 long years, it looks like the iPad mini is finally getting the major upgrade it deserves. Could this new version bring a super powerful processor, a sleek, modern redesign, or maybe even a mind-blowing foldable screen? Stick around as we dive into all the juicy details about the highly anticipated iPad mini 7. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. Your feedback means the world to us. So, let's chat about the iPad mini. The last big redesign came back in 2021 with the 6th generation model, and wow, that was a game changer at the time. Apple introduced a larger display, moved the Touch ID to the power button, switched from the Lightning port to USB-C, and even improved the camera. Fast forward to 2024, and we're still waiting for a new version. What gives, Apple? Did the mini slip through the cracks? Well, there's some exciting news on the horizon. Rumor has it that the iPad mini 7 might be dropping sooner than we think, possibly even in October. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Apple has a knack for keeping us in suspense. Just think back to the iPad mini 4. After that release, we had to wait a grueling 42 months for the next version. But this time, the vibes are different. Trusted sources like Mark Gurman and renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo are buzzing about an October launch, and I can't help but feel optimistic. It might be time to start budgeting for it. Speaking of budgets, what will this new model set you back? The price is expected to stay in line with previous releases at around $499 in the US, so no shocking surprises there. But let's be real, when it comes to Apple, you never know what you'll end up paying until you hit that checkout screen. Now let's dive into the design details of the upcoming Mini 7. Are we in for any major changes in its appearance? Most likely not. Apple seems to be sticking with that beloved sleek and compact form factor we've all grown to appreciate. However, we might see some exciting new color options. If they follow the trend set by the iPhone 16 and the 10th gen iPad, we could be looking at deeper, more vibrant colors. How cool would that be? When it comes to the display, we're not expecting any size changes. The 8.3-inch screen is here to stay. But there's chatter that Apple may finally tackle that pesky jelly scrolling issue that affected the Mini 6, leading to a smoother, more refined scrolling experience on the Mini 7. Fingers crossed. Now here's where things get really interesting: the processor. The current iPad Mini 6 comes with the A15 chip, which, while solid, isn't exactly cutting edge anymore. Rumors are swirling that the Mini 7 could feature the A17 chip, the same powerhouse found in the iPhone 15 Pro. If this happens, it would give the device a serious performance boost, making it way more powerful. Plus, there's talk of Apple doubling the RAM from 4 to 8 gigs. That extra memory would be a game changer, especially if Apple rolls out some new AI-powered features. Let's also talk about storage, because who hasn't been frustrated by running out of space on their devices? The base model of the Mini 6 started with just 64 gigs, which feels pretty inadequate these days. But word on the street is that Apple is planning to increase the base storage to 128 gigs. This would be a huge relief for those of us with tons of photos or who like to download large amounts of content from streaming services like Netflix. And get this, there's speculation that the maximum storage option could jump from 256 to a more generous 512 gigs. As for the display technology, it looks like we'll have to wait a bit longer for OLED to make its debut on the iPad mini, likely not until 2026. While that's a bit of a bummer, the current display is still pretty high quality. On a brighter note, there's talk that promotion technology might make its way to the iPad mini, allowing for that sweet 120Hz refresh rate. This upgrade would make everything, gaming, watching videos, scrolling through TikTok, super smooth and visually appealing. Now, if you were hoping for a foldable iPad mini, you might want to temper those expectations for now. Apple is indeed exploring foldable technology, but it seems this particular model won't be part of that innovation. Honestly, considering how much a foldable device could cost, it might end up being as pricey as a small car. So, to wrap it all up, the iPad mini 7 is shaping up to be a powerful little device that could really shake up Apple's tablet lineup. With a faster chip, expanded storage options, and a smoother display, it's got a lot of exciting features in store. Are you as pumped about it as I am? Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments if you're planning to snag the iPad mini 7 when it drops. We can't wait to hear from you.